Alright, for today's Windows tips, what we're going to do is learn some Windows shortcuts. And what we're going to use is the Windows logo key, which is a key that is between the Control and the Alt key on your keyboard. So the first one we're going to do, and some of them what we're going to do is we'll just talk about it, but the first one is the Windows logo key and the A key at the exact same time will open up the action menu. Okay. Now another one is going to be the Windows logo and the B key at the same time. Typically focuses on the notification area. Windows C should open up Windows Cortana, okay, which it does. All right. Now one of the ways we could do this to minimize all open windows. So we've got a couple of them right now. You can do two different things. One is Windows D. All right. And we will come up with another one later on. I will go over that. Another one is, let's say I want to open up Windows Explorer. Use a Windows E key. And there's your Windows Explorer. Okay, Windows F will open up the feedback menu, which you can send some type of feedback to Microsoft. Now, the Windows G will open up the game bar. For your gamers, this comes in nice and handy. It's a way of recording your games and be able to stream it. Also, this is a way of recording live stuff from your PC itself. Okay, so we get out of that. Now the next one we're going to do is Windows H. This opens up dictation. You're able to actually start recording once you click on this up here. And it will type to text. Okay. Now another one is opening up the settings. Would be Windows logo and the I key. Opens up your settings. Just a few shortcuts that are going to help you. Now let's say you've got a wireless device or a monitor, a display that you want to connect to remotely. You can hit the Windows logo in the key, the K key at the same time. Now another one, if you want to lock the screen, I'm not going to do that here, you would hit the Windows L key. Okay, Windows logo and the L key at the exact same time. Now I could have multiple windows open again. I could hit the Windows logo and the M. It will minimize everything. I forgot Cortana doesn't minimize. I should have closed that. It's not going to work on this one because of the way I have this set up. I'm doing some other testing. But if you hit the Windows logo in the N key, it opens up Notepad. Okay, if you want to lock the screen's orientation, in other words like landscape or portrait, once you have it set to that, you can hit the Windows logo and the O key at the same time. Now one of the ways of projecting, we're not going to be able to do this right here because of the system I'm on, but if I was to do it on my normal system, matter of fact, it'll pop up in the other one. What you would do is use the Windows logo P key. Now obviously I'm remoting into a system, so it's not able to do that. But with Windows P, I'll do another video on that where I can show you different things of duplicating, extending, sending it to just a projector or the main screen itself. Okay. Now say you want to do the Windows logo and the Q key at the same time. That is going to open up your search box. Now one of the ones that I use quite often, I use the Windows R key. Now, you could open up something like Excel. So you type in Excel, it would pop open. I'm going to show you some different ways of rearranging your start menu so you don't even have to do that. Put your more popular items on top. But it's like if I want to open up the command prompt, I will just type CMD, and there I go. Now I'm going to show you another one to modify this on another video. Okay, another one, if you want to open up Cortana in text mode, you would use Windows logo plus the S key. Now, another one is, let's say I want to cycle through stuff down here. All right, on the taskbar, I use the Windows logo and the T key. And now I can just arrow to the right or to the left, depending on which one I want to hit, and enter. Now, another one that I use quite often is the Windows logo U key to open up the Ease of Access Center. Okay, where I can change the size of like the text. I can change different things like the video, make it darker, do dark mode, so on. We'll do that on another video also. Now, one thing I haven't done with this system yet is I really haven't got too much of a clipboard history. But if you want to see the things you copied and pasted, you could hit the Windows logo and the V key at the exact same time. It will show you whatever you copied and pasted. I haven't done anything with this system yet. This is kind of a system we are testing. All right. Now, another one, if you want to open Windows Ink Workspace, that's another one I need to do at a different time, is a Windows logo W key, and you'll see this pop up down here. I'm going to do that on a separate one so that you get some experience as to what it's done with that. And one of the ones, what they call a quick link window, is hitting the Windows logo X key. I could typically call this a power users menu because all the things that I would typically use as an administrator are right here in this location. All right, thank you for viewing, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. We are going to start coming up with more Windows logo videos, so on, just little tricks and tips that can help you through the day, the week, the month, whatever. Thank you for viewing, and we'll see you in the next video.